the solution in terms of step is what we call algorithm, right? So algorithm is basically, all the steps you follow to receive input, process the information, and generate an output. It's called algorithm. Some people loosely use the word logic, say, hey, what's the logic of this program? But the right word, or more, formal computer engineering word, is algorithm. So an algorithm is everywhere, whether we write program or not. You see in everyday life, right? Algorithm is everywhere. For example, simplest I can think of is making a tea or coffee, right? So let's say we are making a tea or coffee, right? So imagine that you're gonna create a robot, and your goal is to give all these instructions that you do every day to you feed this set of instructions to a robot, right? And robot is going to do exactly what you ask him to do or her to do, right? So if we are not clear on our steps, the things you do, then you cannot teach somebody. The same thing, robot is nothing but a computer. So what do we do in the tea? You take a kettle, right? Take a kettle, assuming it's a clean kettle, right? So take a kettle, put it on a stove. Then you, maybe if I'm making a tea for 2 people, then say, 2 cups of water, right? I boil it for, boil for maybe 15 minutes. Sometimes I make tea, so I know this part. So boil it for 15 minutes. Then you add tea leaves, 2 teaspoon tea leaves. Boil for another 10 minutes, right? Then you add milk, 2 cup, right? Then you boil for another few minutes. Then you finally take it out, filter it, pour it in a cup, and so on. So all of these steps that I am following, if I repeat these set of steps, I will be able to make tea. That is the algorithm of making tea, right? Now, few things you will notice here. Number of steps that I have written here on this is pretty much defined. So if you notice in this algorithm, right, all the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, if somebody follows these steps, he or she will be able to make exact same tea, assuming the size of the teaspoon, size of the, the 10 minutes, the stove. If everything remains same, then you will be able to make tea in the same model. So the input in this case is the stove, input is water, input is measuring cup, input is tea leaves, right? All of these ingredients, including the instruments, are input to this algorithm, without which you cannot perform this task or this set of tasks. And then output is the 2 or 4 cups of tea that we are going to make it. And if you look at carefully around you, everything has set of steps.